Impressive RoRo cargo ships, used in transporting machines, trains, cars, and other vehicles from factories to distribution locations all over the world. Here are the top 10 largest roll-on roll-off ships in the world. 10. Morning Crown. It is flown by the Bahamas and was built in 2005 at the Polish shipyard of Stocznia Gdynia. It is 656 feet by 105 feet in size, 57,600 tons in weight, and 21,000 tons carrying capacity. With a maximum speed of over 16 knots, the engine generates 21,200 horsepower. Its sloping levels enable greater space utilization and the parking of more vehicles of various sizes. Using a vast network of worldwide roads, the HOEGH company moves more than 3.2 million vehicles annually. 9. Beluga Ace. It was built by Japan's Nippon Shipbuilding Company in 2018 and is decorated with the Panamanian flag. Thanks to its aerodynamic shape and high lift levels, it offers less wind resistance and more space for cars. It has sensors and augmented reality for added safety and utility. It is 656 feet long and 105 feet wide, weighs 63,100 tons, and has a payload capacity of 15,400 tons. Thanks to its 17,100 horsepower engine, it can travel at speeds of more than 21 knots. 8. GLOVIS STELLA. Hyundai Heavy Industries manufactured it in a South Korean shipyard in 2016 and registered it under the Marshall Islands flag. It measures 656 feet long by 114 feet broad, weighs 65,700 tons, and can support 19,600 tons of weight. The top speed of its 17,500 horsepower engine is 20 knots. This vessel is a part of the Hyundai GLOVIS fleet, which also includes trains, buses, and automobiles. The company connects nations all around the world, with its fleet of over 60 ships of varying sizes. 7. SIEM Confucius. It was built in a Chinese shipyard by Xiaomi Shipbuilding Industry in 2020, and as of right now, it is flying the flag of Liberia. It can cut its carbon dioxide emissions by up to 25% by using liquefied natural gas. Its length is 656 feet, and its width is 124 feet. It can transport more than 4,800 cars, with a load capacity of 19,100 tons and a weight of 72,900 tons. Its two engines have a combined output of 16,900 horsepower and a top speed of 16 knots. Its equipment consists of two gas tanks, with a combined capacity of 4,700 cubic yards. 6. Century Highway Green. It is a ship with a Japanese flag that was built in 2021 at the Tadotsu shipyard in Japan. It is the first rolling freight ship that SEAWAYS, a shipping firm, has used LNG as fuel. Its width is 121 feet, and its length is 656 feet. It can transport 7,000 tons of cargo, or autos, and weighs 73,500 tons. Its engine is capable of a top speed of more than 18 knots and 12,500 horsepower. Liquefied natural gas can be stored in its fuel tank in amounts of around 31,000 cubic yards. 5. MB TANNHAUSER. It is operated by Sweden and was built in 2020 at the China shipyard of Xinjiang's heavy industry for shipbuilding. 13 floors are available to accommodate various types of freight. Its length is 656 feet, and its breadth is 121 feet. It can carry 73,300 tons of weight, 7,600 automobiles, or 23,800 tons of cargo. This ship brought 3,600 Tesla Model 3 sedans from Shanghai to Belgium in 2020 to assist Tesla with the inaugural exports of its China-built vehicles. 4. HOEGH TIGGER. It was manufactured in 2015 at the China shipyard of the Xiaomi Shipbuilding Company and is Norwegian flagged. It has 14 phases, runs on biofuels, and can cut carbon emissions by up to 90%. It is 76,400 tons in weight, 656 feet long by 118 feet broad, and can support up to 8,500 vehicles or 22,000 tons of weight. With the construction of this ship, which has a 15,700 horsepower engine and a top speed of 19 knots, HOEGH Liners demonstrated its commitment to a zero-emission future. 3. CELINE RoRo ships. It is Norwegian flagged and was built in 2015 at the Xiaomi Shipbuilding Company, China shipyard. It can reduce carbon emissions by up to 90%, has 14 phases, and runs on biofuels. It weighs 76,400 tons, measures 656 feet long by 118 feet wide, and has a weight capacity of up to 8,500 vehicles or 22,000 tons. HOEGH Liners showed its dedication to a zero-emission future by building this ship, which has a 15,700 horsepower engine and a top speed of 19 knots. 2. EPHESUS SEAWAYS. It was built in 2019 at the Jianling shipyard in China and is registered in Turkey. It has a total of 5 stories and 22,000 feet of lanes, and 3 ramps are available for access, which makes loading and unloading simple. It is a very efficient vessel with measurements of 777 feet long by 108 feet broad, a weight of 64,000 tons, and a cargo capacity of 17,000 tons. With the assistance of its 2 engines, each of which has 36,000 horsepower, it can travel at a top speed of 21 knots. 1. Eco Livorno. It flies the Italian flag and has a lithium battery-powered, hybrid propulsion system that produces no import pollution. It was built by the Chinese shipyard Nanjing Jianling in 2021. It measures 780 feet by 111 feet, weighs 67,300 tons, and has a carrying capacity of 24,000 tons. It can go faster than 20 knots, thanks to its 34,000 horsepower engine. This 5th-generation ship, the largest and greenest ship in the world, is one of 4 that the Grimaldi Group now owns. Good luck, hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, turn on the bell icon, like, and click to watch the next video on the screen.